Okay, finally we're going to talk about African media and entertainment. Before we do that, I should just mention that you should be aware that there is a Prime Media relisting on the JSE coming. That's interesting. Next time we have the show, maybe we'll have to give you a little bit more detail, because of course they own radio stations as well. But let's talk about African media entertainment, because it is listed now. The radio stations they own are things like AlgoaFM, of course, market leader in the Bloemfontein and Central area, AlgoaFM, which is in PE, and then they have a couple of other media and related businesses which do media selling and that sort of thing, media production, ad production. Market capitalization, not that bad, 782 million rand. Price earnings ratio 15.5, dividend yield 3.68. Yeah, I mean, doesn't get any attention. I think we'll see share price wise, so might as well put that up. That has actually also done well recently.
It has done well. Thinly traded,
Yeah,
so very liquid, but has had a good run.
But what does one think of this business? Because they've got very low profile. They don't even have an identifiable CEO, really. You've got to really scratch around on the website to see that Michelle Maynard, I think is her name. She's the financial director. Connie Malusi, who was at Times Media, I think before, is sort of like the semi-executive chairman of the board. But the businesses, I don't know, do they just sort of run themselves?
They do. I mean, they're very reliant on ad revenue, and that's a tough old place to be at the moment, in a tough climate. That's one of the first things your clients are going to cut. So they've really had to rely on key clients to keep the business going. They are growing revenue, not massively, but they're also having to cut costs to really weather a tough time.
Radio is a very strong business, and if you've got the listenership, you can advertise with the local or get the local companies advertising.
True.
Okay, hot or not?
Not for me, Paul. Not something that I don't see where the growth is going to come from.
I've been calling them not hot for a while, but I'm going to go with hot anyway, even though it's smaller. And the one reason is that I know that Moorman and Coburn, the same guys who own Caxton, have been accumulating a 25-35% stake in this business. Anyway, let's see. That's it. Go with hot.